Good, good morning, students. Always I am habitual of using this word. So sometimes making video I used good morning. Hello, students. Now today we are going to discuss about open and closed curve. It's a closed curve. I forgot to write D over here. Open or closed curve. What is the meaning of open curve? Open curve. First we discuss open curve. If we draw some figures, that any figure by using pencil or pen, this figure is known as your curve. Clear? And if any figure, any geometrical figure having, I'm discussing about open curve, and different uh, initial or starting point, different starting and end point, they are known as your open curve. Open curve. Different, not difference, different. Uh, it's a different starting and end point, they are known as your open curve. For example, if we draw a single line, we know that this is initial point, this is final point, or this is initial, this is final, so it is an open curve. We are using the making the letter S. Different point, we are drawing rectangle like this one, and just near the point to meet we leave this one. This is open curve. If we draw the line likewise, this is a type of curve, and this is open curve because it has different point. Clear? The initial point, final point, there is a different one, they are different, so they are open curve. If we are going to discuss about closed curve, so always remember that in closed curve we have same starting and end point. They are known as your closed curve. They are known as your closed curve. For example, there are many examples are there. If we draw a rectangle or parallelogram, we draw a circle, then we draw a cloud. Now, so this type of figure known as your closed curve. Now, the in between these, there are many different sub parts also. Again, there is a word simple curve. What is the meaning of simple curve? If any curve does not cross itself at any point, does not curve does not cross itself at any point, is known as your simple curve. Means what? If we draw a rectangle like this one, so this is a simple curve. If we draw a line, simple curve. We draw an arc, simple curve. We draw a circle, simple curve. And if it cross, they are not simple curve. For example, this is not a simple curve. This is a wrong one. This is not a simple curve. Cross sign also is not a simple curve. Even if we draw the figure likewise, so here they curves cross each other, so this is not a simple curve. And in simple curve, these two figures are known as your simple closed curve. And these are simple open curve. So hope this point is clear. Now there are some more part, that is interior curve, exterior curve, and interior of a curve, exterior of a curve, and boundary of a closed curve. We are discussing about closed curve, not open. Now we are discussing about closed curve. So interior of a closed curve. So all the points inside the, means suppose we have figure like this one, no? So point inside point A, that is inside the closed curve, so they are known as your interior point. Exterior means suppose we have point B outside the curve, so exterior. Collection of the points on the line on the curve are known as your boundary points of the closed curve. So interior of a curve, exterior of a curve, and this one is that region boundary of the curve. This one is your boundary of the curve. So hope this is this concept is clear. I am discussing only the general terms. Then we have linear and curvilinear boundaries. Linear boundaries and curvilinear boundaries, they are different things. Linear means, always remember that linear means in a straight line and curvilinear means in a curved line. So what about linear boundaries? If boundaries are always in a straight line, like this figure or this figure, no? Or we can use that this figure. What we are observing, that boundary contains only the straight lines, so they are known as your linear, having linear boundaries. And if otherwise this all are curvilinear, means if we draw a circle, it's a curvilinear boundary. If we draw figure like this one, there is no straight line, all are curvilinear, so these are come under curvilinear boundaries. Curvilinear, clear? And these are your linear boundaries. Now most common, all these are very basic general terms are there. You must remember, need not to write anywhere or the things, simply you learn from a book. Then it says that polygon. What is the meaning of polygon? This is most important. From based on polygon, we discussed various topic. We discussed various topic in geometry part in class 6, 7, 8, and so on. So a simple closed curve made up entirely of line segment is called polygon. Means a simple closed curve means curve not cross each part of itself. They are known as your polygon. For example, if I am drawing a triangle, it's a polygon having 3 sides. Then if we draw a square or rectangle, whatever it is, it's a polygon. If we draw this figure, this is polygon, this not cross itself. So this type of figure is known as your polygon. Figure not cross each other. If we draw a figure like this, is a linear one, linear boundary, but they are not come under polygon because they are not simple curve. They cross each other at this point. So this is not come under, this is not a part of polygon. Then under polygon we have some sides, diagonals, etc. So let's discuss. Now we are discussing about polygon. Polygon means a simple closed curve having straight line as its boundary. Now under the polygon we are going to discuss some parts of polygons. Suppose here I am drawing some polygons. This is a one polygon and other I am drawing one polygon, this one, or one polygon, this one. Clear? Avoid this curve because I make from hand. So what are sides? As we know, these boundaries are known as your sides. You must give the name either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Generally we are using the concept anti-clockwise, means from right to left. A, B, C, D, E. Or again from here we can write down A, B, C, P, Q, R, S. So okay, we can change these names. It's if we start from top, X, it is our word X, Y, Z. So all the sides like AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, not A, EA are known as your sides of this polygon. PQ, QR, RS, SP are sides of this polygon. XY, YZ and ZX are the sides of this polygon. What is vertices? Where all the sides meet, not all the sides, where sides meet, that point is known as your vertices. Means this point is a vertices. This point I am darkening with black now. Hope you are able to see these black points. So these are your vertices. Even this one also. Clear? These are your vertices. See, the number of vertices is equal to the number of the sides in case of polygon. 1 2 3 4 sides, 1 2 3 4 points, 1 2 3 4 5 polygon sides, 1 2 3 4 5, likewise 3. So in the polygon we have number of sides always equals to the number of vertices. Then after this we discuss different diagonals. If we join the straight line which joins two opposite vertices, that straight line is known as your diagonal. In this case, start from this case. In this triangle, P and R, these two are opposite points, vertices. So we draw this by using a straight line. This PR is a diagonal. So in this case, PR, this line, and QS, this line is diagonal of this rectangle. In this case, opposite of A, it may be C because it's a pentagon. It may be C or may be D. So we join them. These two are diagonal. Again from this, opposite of B is D, or that of diagonal. B, from B we have BE or BD diagonal. From A we have AD or AC diagonal. Now come to C, we have CA or CE as diagonal. This one is a diagonal. Now we have from D A and B diagonal. From E we have C and B diagonals. So how many diagonals are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 diagonals in case of pentagon. There are 2 diagonals in case of rectangle. In case of triangle, see, there is no opposite point. All boundary lines or line sides join each other, each vertices, and those vertices are opposite. So in case of triangle, there is no diagonal. So let's discuss first polygon, that is your triangle. Triangles. The polygon having three sides is known as your triangle. Generally, this is a basic first polygon, and area come under this part is known as your triangular region. Then point, this is your interior of triangle, the other part, rest part is exterior of triangle. Area, points on the sides of the triangle are known, come under the boundary of, on the boundary of the triangle. This boundary of any polygon is known as your perimeter, also known as your perimeter. Then in triangle we have different part. First one is your altitude. So what is the altitude? Shortest distance between, or you can say perpendicular is not known by, so you can write down shortest distance smallest distance. Smallest distance or shortest distance between vertex and opposite side, one vertex and its opposite side. Is known as your altitude. If we use this figure, so see in this figure, shortest distance is always at 90-degree angle perpendicular, but we not discuss the angle, so it is shortest distance. So this D is your, this CD is the altitude of triangle ABC. CD is altitude of on side AB. Again, from A we can also draw, from B we can also draw the same type of figure, same type of distance, same type of line. So they are known as your altitude of triangle ABC. Then there is a word median. Median means what? Median means what? Median is the line segment joining the vertex and middle of the opposite line. Now this one, suppose this is your figure. Now suppose middle of this point lies somewhere, this place. So this is not the smallest distance, but if we join these points, so in figure X, Y, Z, PZ is a median, because this side is equals to this side, and this, from what this vertex we join this point. So this is your median. Similarly, we can join this side we have a median, and this side we have median. I use the rough hand to say figure not looks a perfect one, but okay, this is your median. What is median? If we join midpoint of a side of a triangle with opposite vertex, that line is known as your median. In triangle we have 3 medians, and also in triangle we have 3 height. So this is all about triangles. We are going to discuss about quadrilateral also. Quadrilateral means having 4 sides. The second figure of polygon is your quadrilateral, means polygon having 4 sides. This is the first figure in which you have first polygon in which you have diagonals. So this is known as your quadrilateral. As usual, inside area of quadrilateral is your interior, outside is your exterior. These P, Q, R, S, they are vertices. These P, Q, Q, R and RS and SP are the sides of the quadrilateral. Apart from this, we have a diagonals SQ and PR. These are the diagonals of the quadrilaterals. So this is a brief introduction about open and closed curve. In exercises, we have some base easier question, you can easily solve it, or I will make a short video for that. So hope you can understand this concept. After this chapter topic, that is basic geometrical concept, when we enter into the geometry part of maths, then we have some very interesting question. So before that interesting question, we have to learn all the general terms, even all the terms, each and every terms of geometry very carefully and understand the concept. That's all for today. Thank you.